Hello and welcome to my channel and welcome to this review of the NOKIA G22. The NOKIA G22 is a mid-range smartphone that offers a 6.52-inch display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, making it durable and resistant to scratches. The phone runs on the latest Android 12 operating system, providing users with a smooth and intuitive interface. The phone is powered by a 5050 mAh non-removable battery, which offers an impressive battery life and can last up to 2 days on a single charge. This means that users can enjoy uninterrupted usage without worrying about running out of battery. One of the standout features of the NOKIA G22 is its impressive camera setup. The back camera comes with a 50MP main AF5P lens, a 2MP depth lens, and a 2MP macro lens. The camera features night mode, tripod mode, AI portrait, 50MP mode with HDR, personalized watermarks, and OZO surround recording. The front camera comes with an 8MP selfie shooter, which is perfect for taking high-quality selfies and video calls. The phone also has a headphone jack, runs Bluetooth 5.0, and is NFC supported, making it easy to connect to other devices and accessories. However, one of the drawbacks of the NOKIA G22 is its Unisoc T606 GPU, which is not as powerful as some of the other GPUs available in the market. This means that the phone may struggle with more demanding tasks, such as running graphic-intensive games. On the other hand, Nokia's partnership with iFixit is a notable advantage, as it shows the company's commitment to sustainability and making smartphones that are easier to repair. With access to manuals and tools, users can easily fix common issues like flat batteries, broken screens, and scratched covers, without having to pay for expensive repairs or replace the entire device. In conclusion, the NOKIA G22 is a solid mid-range smartphone with impressive features like a long-lasting battery and a versatile camera setup. While its Unisoc T606 GPU may not be as powerful as some of the other GPUs in the market, Nokia's partnership with iFixit shows their dedication to sustainability and making smartphones that are easier to repair. If you're looking for a phone with great battery life and a good camera, the NOKIA G22 is worth considering. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and feel free to leave a comment, give a like or subscribe.